Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install VirtualBox extension on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. To install VirtualBox extension, first of all, you have to install VirtualBox on your macOS. So I already have a video on it. I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have installed VirtualBox, simply open any browser, search for VirtualBox and open the link from virtualbox.org. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now simply click on download option and here we have VirtualBox Extension Pack download page. Here click on accept and download and it will download the VirtualBox Extension Pack. Now to install it, you have to open the VirtualBox application. For that, let me close the window, click on App Launcher, and here look for VirtualBox, or else you can simply search for the application and open it. Now to install extension, click on File option, then click on Tools, and here select Extension. Now click on Install button, and navigate to the Downloads folder and select the VirtualBox Extension Pack. Then click on Open. Now here you will find installation window. Simply click on Install. Read the license agreement. Then click on I agree. Now enter your system password. Then click on OK. And wait for the installation process to complete. So that's for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.